Hey everyone, so today this video is going to be my perfumes and lotions and hair product favorites for December because I just moved my makeup favorites when I posted. So I was just gonna make favorites for like perfumes and lotions and stuff. So first I'm going to show you my hair product that I like, and there's only one, and it's the Paul Mitchell Smoothing Super Skinny Serum stuff that I'm almost out of, so I'm hoping I get a new one for Christmas. But I love this stuff. This is really, I love it. I use it like every night. It's really soft, and I recommend everyone buying it. And then starting off from Victoria's Secret, I'm going to show you the two things I like there. One is the Pink with a Splash Cool and Carefree perfume, and it's not the best smell, but I really do like it, so I use that a lot. I'm actually not a lot. And then the second one I got for my birthday last year, and it is Chiffon Pinot Freesia Fragrance Mist. And it smells really good. Let's see at the top. And it smells really good. I have a matching lotion for it too. So like, so there's that. Next I have one thing from Kohl's, and it's a Glamorati perfume. And it's just a rich smell, and it smells really good. So I really like that. My friend gave that to me. And then I have two things from Bath and Body Works. One's a Paris Amour fragrance mist. I love it. And the next is a Paris Amour body cream. So I love both of these. These are like my favorite perfumes. I'm almost halfway done with the fragrance mist, but I'm gonna get more. So that is pretty much my favorites of perfumes and lotions. And I hope y'all have a good Christmas and enjoy. Bye.